I've tried a lot of business models this past few years, but the best one that I've come across is selling SaaS with a high ticket service. And if you're dealing with the same situation and feeling stuck with different kind of hustles and nothing is working for you, this is the business you should start with in 2024. So why start a SaaS business? Number one, it has a very low startup cost and the potential to generate quick revenue, and the revenue you generate can be recurring in nature. And number four, it has high income potential. So let's begin with what is SaaS. If you haven't heard about it before, SaaS means software as a service. It means businesses or people creating software and then offering it to others over the internet for a fee. And mostly the fee is recurring in nature. It can be a monthly fee, quarterly fee, or yearly fee. And in this business model, the company selling the SaaS takes care of things like updates, maintenance, and security, while the user just need an internet connection to access and use the software. These softwares can be things like email marketing software, AI copywriting software, keyword research software, website builder, funnel builder, video editing software, social media scheduling, and graphic design, etc. Earlier, you needed a lot of money to create a SaaS and market it. But now the entry level to start a SaaS has become very low, but yet it has unlimited potential for revenue and growth. There are lots of no-code software and website builders out there like Bubble, Webflow, etc., where you can build your website and software easily. And for marketing, you can use various social media platforms and also SEO to attract customers for your software. But still, there is a steep learning curve for these softwares and platforms. In my opinion, no-code tools are great, but like I said, with them, you'll have to learn how to use the platform, develop SaaS ideas, and do market research if there's any demand for your software. And for setting up a SaaS and to sell it, it will take at least a few months, and the worst part, there might not be any demand for your software in the market. That's why I prefer white label SaaS. It's the fastest way to come up with a product that has already been tested in the market and is already being sold by different SaaS owners. So what is white label? White label is when a company or a platform offers its ready-made product to rebrand and sell. This means you just have to pay a certain price for the product, brand the product in your name or your brand name, and resell it to your customers. So here are some benefits of white label SaaS. Number one is branding. You can easily customize the software or the platform and brand it under your name and resell it. Number two is faster market entry, because you don't have to build the software from scratch and do all the customizations and all, build a platform of your own, because it's already inbuilt and it won't take months for you to start your SaaS. You can get started easily within hours. And number three is it won't cost much for you to get started. But of course, you'll have to learn the product a little bit, customize it for your market, rebrand and sell it. For example, I use GoHighLevel, a software CRM that I white label and resell to local businesses that need website automations, funnels, email marketing, and things like that. I'll talk about GoHighLevel in a future video, and if the video is already released, you can watch it in this link somewhere here. In your case, you can try different white label software, but in my opinion, I think GoHighLevel is by far the most robust one with different features that you can sell to your customers. And with high level, you can target any business with a different niche in the industry, in the marketplace. By the way, I'm building a course about how to get started with GoHighLevel and start your own SaaS agency. And if you'd like to get the course when it's completed, just sign up to my email newsletter. The link will be in the description below. Now, there is a problem with just selling the software, because with just selling the software, growing your business quickly is difficult. You can't just get a 10K per month recurring revenue with just selling a $97 product. For that, you'll need at least 100 plus customers, which is very hard to get if you're starting with little capital and don't have enough money for running ads. And besides that, nowadays there are thousands of other competitive SaaS tools with almost similar features out there. And the question arises, why would someone buy it from you? That's why combining service with your SaaS and packaging it together makes your business a unique one. And besides that, selling a high value service can get your business to 10K per month quickly. So here's an example. You'll only need 10 customers to get to 10K if you sell a $1,000 service, or maybe 20 customers if you sell a $500 service. So what kind of services you should be selling? Most businesses, especially small businesses and local businesses, need digital marketing services for their business. You could sell every kind of service that comes under digital marketing services, but starting with a single type of service for a targeted niche will be better. The services could be things like social media marketing service, local SEO, which I offer to my customers, web designing, landing pages, etc. If you choose GoHighLevel, you can create different types of automation and marketing strategies for specific niches and offer them to your clients. You might think you don't know how to provide these services, but there are various ways around it too. First of all, learn the basics of any kind of service you'd like to provide, and then learn the software. GoHighLevel has a free plan of 14 days. It is enough to get started. And then you can start your outreach and acquire clients for your business. And if things get complicated, you can always hire people to do the work for you. It can be freelancers, or you can start building a team after you start generating some revenue from your business. So this is how you can start a SaaS with a service business in 2024. So now let's look at some quick steps you can use to get started with this business model. So the first step would be to identify and target industries and businesses that might need software solutions for things like automation and lead generation, etc. You also need to find out and understand their pain points and the gaps in existing solutions that they are using. This will be difficult, but you'll learn more about it when you start prospecting and outreaching. So my advice would be to get started right away with your niche, and you'll learn the pain points and the gaps along the way. After you're done with your niche, you'll have to choose the right product that addresses your target audience's pain points. In my case, as I mentioned earlier, I'm using GoHighLevel. It's a platform that can be customized for any businesses, but most high-level SaaS and agency owners target small and local businesses. And then you develop your unique branding strategy for the SaaS product according to your niche. Then you can also create bundled service offerings that complement the software solution. Example, one-time setup, training, support, etc. Then comes the pricing strategy. You can either determine a competitive yet profitable pricing model and also consider subscription-based models. There can also be one-time fees for your services, or maybe tiered pricing based on service levels. And after that, you can start developing a targeted marketing strategy to reach your potential clients. You can highlight the combined value of your wide-level SaaS and service offerings. The best way would be to leverage content marketing, webinars, demos, case studies, etc. And finally, when you start getting clients, you can create a systematic way of onboarding your clients. Besides that, you can provide support, training, and other resources for your customers.